Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace a door window on a 2006 F-150. This particular window is in the driver's side rear door, but this step-by-step process should work for any one of the windows with slight variation. So first you're going to start by removing this trim piece, and that just pops off there like this. And then you're going to have 3 7mm or 5.5mm. It depends on the year of the truck. You're going to remove this little trim piece, and there's a 10mm hiding under there. After that's removed, you're going to pull the handle out like that, and the door cable just unclips and get that out of the way. After those are all removed, the door literally just pulls up and out. There's no need to pry on anything, and if you do pry, you actually do end up breaking the tabs off. Disconnect your electrical connector for this door switch. On the front driver's door, you're going to have many connectors. I'm going to go ahead and clean out the broken window. I did it as best that I can. It's obviously not going to be perfect, but not too bad. Alright, we're going to remove the door seals. And so those 2 brackets there and there is what the window sits in. So you're going to want to get the door switch reconnected and put power to the vehicle so that you can move those down and access the 10mm bolt. You're going to have to remove the speaker in the door to access the other one on the other side. And the glass just sits right in there. So unlike some doors where the window has to go in at an angle, on this particular vehicle, the window just sets in just straight on down. You're going to want to send it all the way down to the bottom of the door. The window goes in at this point, but you have to go all the way down so that it can come back up in that channel. And then you're going to want to set the base of the window inside those 2 little clamp type brackets and tighten it in. After all your window weather stripping is back in, go ahead and raise the window so that you can access your 2 10mm bolts, tighten them down, make sure the window is snug, and then your reinstallation is just the reverse of the removal. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.